Up first, the Jamaica Environment Trust, JET, is concerned that the plastic replacements for styrofoam food containers are beginning to show up on our coastlines. But as JET launches its beach cleanup exercise, its Chief Executive Officer, Teresa Rodriguez Moody, is praising the near 150% decrease in the collection of plastic straws across the island. Kirk Wright has our story.
The Executive Director of the Jamaica Environment Trust, JET, Teresa Rodriguez Moody, says the 2019 ban on single-use plastics, straws and styrofoam has recorded some encouraging results. There was a 33% decrease in the number of plastic straws collected in 2019 as compared to 2018.
But otherwise there didn't appear to be any significant difference in other single-use plastic items, and this was based on the data we collected in 2019. However, the ICC 2021 data now showed that styrofoam food packaging no longer features in the top 10 of the waste that we collected on the coastlines.
She says this is likely due to the ban on these items implemented between 2019 and 2020. The bad news, though, is that some of the plastic substitutes are now showing up on the country's coastline.
Unfortunately, while we have something positive, we have something else. And that was, for the first time in recent years, plastic takeout, those food containers that you get when you go to restaurants, it now is one of the most collected items at ICC activities. JET is really concerned that the replacement of the styrofoam packaging in the food and beverage industry with other plastic containers, it's just really a switch, and these plastic containers cannot be recycled.
Executive Director of the Tourism Enhancement Fund, TEF, Kerry Wallace, says protecting the environment will require greater collaboration and a change of mindset.
Let's take this one with JET. The kind of collaboration that we have with JET just spawns success. Last year and the year before with the COVID challenges, constant dialogue to maneuver, and here we are again ready to rebound with the program. All because of a closeness of collaboration, sincerity of purpose. The bigger picture is greater than the small distractions, whether it's personality or whatever the case may be.
Coastal Cleanup Day will be on September 17. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.